In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Tarpapel using Microsoft Excel. Tarpapel is simply a large poster made by printing one big image across multiple sheets of paper and joining them together. Excel is great for this because its page layout tools make it easy to see where each page will cut off so you can size and position your image with confidence. Start by opening your Excel file and heading to the Page Layout tab. Click Margins, then choose Narrow. This gives you more printable space on each sheet, which means fewer gaps when you assemble the pages later. Next, zoom out so you can see several pages on your screen at once. The easiest way is to use the zoom slider at the bottom right of Excel until you can clearly see the page boundaries and how they tile together. Now it's time to insert your image. Go to Insert at the top, click Pictures, and choose this device to pick a photo from your computer. If you're on a newer version of Excel, select Place Over Cells so the image floats freely above the grid, making it easy to move and resize. If you're on an older version of Excel, the picture will be inserted automatically without needing that option. For this demonstration, we're aiming for a simple 4-page Tarpapel. Choose an image that looks good at a larger size. Clear, high-resolution photos work best. Click the picture, then drag from a corner handle to scale it up. Using the corners preserves the proportions and prevents distortion. Move the image so it spans about 4 pages, roughly a 2x2 grid. Keep an eye on the page break lines so important parts of the picture don't land exactly on a page split. Leaving a tiny buffer near the edges can make assembly easier. Before printing, check how it will look. Click File, then Print. The preview shows exactly where the image will divide across each sheet. If something looks off, maybe a key detail is split in the middle, go back, adjust the size or position, and preview again. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and print. After printing, lay the pages out in order. Align the edges carefully and attach them together from the back with clear tape or your preferred adhesive. Press everything flat so the seams are as smooth and neat as possible. And that's it. Your Tarpapel made in Excel is ready to display. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.